Recently I noticed an influx of replacement fan blades appearing on Amazon's, which I thought was odd because I've tried to find replacement fan blades in the past and found it very difficult to come by any. Several years ago I purchased a couple of Holmes new old stock Oscillations desk fans, 12-inch models, and those had severely warped blades to the point where they didn't even really move any air. And so I was searching for blades for those, and at the time I was able to find this blade, which was not the right shape. The shape of the Holmes blade is more like this, but I found this blade, and I think these are really cheap. They were like maybe $5, and I'm not totally dissatisfied with this blade. You know, it's obviously very cheap, but it's relatively sturdy. You know, the pitch is pretty adequate. It's not warped at all. So I bought a couple of these, and I should have bought more because unfortunately we're just going to be dealing with more and more warped fan blades as time goes on. But anyways, I think I have two of those blades. So I have those, and then recently I found a bunch of blades I bought out of curiosity. This is shipment 1 of 2. There will be a second shipment coming in. So let's see what we have here. I have to say I'm already extremely disappointed, which should be no surprise because typically this cheap junk made in China generally stinks. So first off, we have these blades. I bought 2 of these because these look like the Holmes blades, and so if I could paint these white, it would be pretty much perfect replacement. Now these are not terrible. They're super flimsy. I mean, this is ridiculous. But I think because of the way the scoop is, it probably wouldn't fold under too much resistance, and they'd be okay. The pitch isn't great, but it's not totally insufficient. It's probably less than what the Holmes fans would have came with originally. It's not warped at all, so it's not too bad. But then this one here, which is the same thing, is warped pretty significantly. So that's no good. That's a 50% success rate. The worst one is this one. But first off, it's disgusting. It's absolutely filthy. It looks like it was the used. And the aerodynamics is terrible. It almost looks to me like it would be intended to run the other way. I don't know. This one looks like it's fairly well in good clock, but it's dirty and whatever. This one is horrifically out of clock. And there's zero consistency in the pitch, zero consistency in the clock. I think these 3 are okay, and then these 2 are severely warped. Could have been shipping issues. They were just packed in a bag. It wasn't like packed in a proper box. I had high hopes for this blade, but I don't know if it's going to be usable like that. And then there's this blade, which is a 16-inch blade. Those other 2 are 12s. This one I think is a 14, which is kind of a useless size. This one looks okay. It's not warped at all, and it's decently sturdy. The shape kind of reminds me of one of the SMC models from the early 2000s. So, you know, I think this one out of them all seems to be the most well made. It's also the least interesting. You know, but I'm thinking, you get an SMC fan, for example, that gets a warped blade. You could put something like this on there, paint it the gray color, and maybe that would be a good solution for the blade warpage. So, I'm super disappointed here. Just not good quality at all. It was cheap, but it's like, this is not going to be usable. It's so out of whack. So, I don't know. They were all pretty cheap, so it's kind of like you get what you pay for, but this is ridiculous. Hopefully we'll have better results in the next round.